All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of this side by side. On that wheel, you have lots of rash. You can see the tires are gonna be chewed up pretty good. I'm just gonna scan through a lot of this as well. You're gonna have typical scuffs and scratches. So I'll try to just notate everything that I can that stands out. Doors look good, gashes right here. Typical gashes. Looking at this tire, kind of getting up close there. This wheel, you got some rash. Little scuffs and scratches here and there. Headlights look good. Little chips. Little gashes. A little bit of rash. That graphic is faded, kind of has an orange hue to it. The rest of that looks good. Some gashes right there. Overall, that tire looks good. I'll try to get under here. This tire's brand new. We put black duct tape here to cover up the plate. So just so you know what that is. Overall though, this thing looks really good. Super, super cool. Looking at that seat, looks really good. Steering wheel is nice and clean. You got the light whips here, rock lights. Looks good. Storage here. Looking at the seats, those look really nice. All of that looks good. Speakers up here, all the storage. Got the storage there. Looking at the seats. Overall in great condition. Got the handle here. Speakers look good. I mean, this thing is super cool.